It's hard. It's hard. Kylie, it's on my foot. It's on her foot.
So you put it back down?
Okay, yeah, maybe yeah, do it this time.
There we go.
Because it's new, yeah.
And just push up. Just push from the back.
She's gonna help.
She likes to stand it.
She does. But I'm afraid she's not strong enough yet. She's gonna flip it. She's trying to get the key.
You're doing it!
Look
You're
at her
doing
go.
it!
Look at it go. Wow, go Molly, go.
You're
She's
doing
gonna
it!
get off, if she gets off the rug, it'll go way fast. You have a rug at your house to push on. You got a big space.
Grandpa's just trying to go.
Grandma, you're right in her way. Turn her around so she goes
Hey, sweetie.
back that way.
I like the key part.
Thank you, Mommy.
I was doing it too.
Oops, Daisy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You get down on the booty there. Huh?
But that's why we have diapers.
She sure likes it though.
Soft flat landing. Well, I was
That's
told
what
pink is her favorite color.
Pink?
You
Red.
said pink's her favorite color, right? Pink and red?
Red, yeah, red is.
Well, it didn't come in red, but